This is Eileen Han. I like to demonstrate how to cook the greens. This is asparagus that I'm choosing today. So how do I decide which part of the asparagus that I want to use? I just pick it out and then I start doing this. Now this is crunchy, this is not, so I'm gonna throw this away. So I'm gonna only use the top one. So I already pre-did that for everyone. And then you can see, I also have the garlic, the ginger, and a little bit jalapeno because I like spicy to do the cooking. Now I'm gonna put in some olive oils. And as we know, olive oil doesn't have a very high temperature tolerance. So we're only gonna heat it out about 30 seconds. So it's really hot already. So now I'm gonna put in the garlic. Be really careful, watch it, because if you cook too long, it will taste bitter, okay? So now ginger and garlics are in there. I put them already. Ginger and garlic are really, really good for digestion system, especially the ginger. Make the tummy really nice and warm. So now you can see we are working on this one, okay? You don't want it too hot, okay? Just want it to have the beautiful scent. Since this is I would like to also cut a little bit of this asparagus so it's easy to cook. I cut it like this size. Then I'm gonna put it in there. Turn the heat on. Asparagus is one of my favorite veggies that I like to eat. And I also like spicy. But my sister's eating a very spicy, so I will put the chili, the jalapeno at the end of the cooking because that can make sure that it doesn't get too spicy. All right. And don't cook it until they're really, really ugly and soft and soggy. And just make sure that you keep on turning. They look really beautiful. Very healthy, good for your digestion because it's already pre-cooked. So much better than the raw food that you're eating. It's only going to take you 5 minutes max to have it prepared. I choose to use the Himalayan salt. If you don't put any salt in there, it's fine too. You can taste the real vegetable flavor. The asparagus, usually I will cook until they have some of little juice right here. That means they're almost ready. You can see the color is getting prettier, and then this flour here is getting darker and darker. Smells really good. I love asparagus. It tastes so good when I chop it. It's ready. So good. Before I put it in the plate, I like to put in my jalapeno, a little onion, because just a little taste of the spice will bring the taste even better and stronger. But if you don't like spicy, not to worry, okay? Look at this beautiful asparagus. It's ready for you to eat right now. Nice and hot. Great. Here you go. There's another plate of the greens. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and next time I will bring some more other greens that we can stir fry and we share it together. Have a great dinner. Thank you. 吃饭吃饭。